Guys, it's Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. How are you? Today's a very exciting day. It is color reveal day. The Fluid Art Co. has come out with a new batch of This Little Piggy pigments, and I was given a color to reveal, and I'm so happy and excited that I got this particular shade because it has been long awaited, and I know a ton of people have been waiting and waiting for this particular shade, and it's finally here. And you guys ready? I need like a little drum roll or something. Dun 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 dun! Trumpets, trumpets! I have Agapanthus, y'all! Yay! This color is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm gonna get you guys down on the canvas and we'll just test it out and show you what it looks like up close. And it's dreamy as all get out. So yeah, let me get you down. All right, guys, for this little demo with Agapanthus, I mixed up some other colors in some black and white cell activator. This is just a little 6-inch chunky canvas. This color is actually my PPG Multi-Pro. And I had done a bunch of pours in blues and purples, and I take the leftovers and scrape it into an old paint can. And this is the color I got. And I was like, huh. That's super, super pretty. So I gave it a good stir, and I do strain it before I put it into like a little cup like this, just to get out any boogers or anything. It's a little thicker than normal, but that's okay. We'll make it work. And let's just do a little bloom and check out Agapanthus. So I'm going to put down a piggy. This is emerald. We're gonna put emerald. Let's do emerald and Agapanthus. And then I have some Payne's Gray. We'll throw some of that on top. And I made up some gold. I don't know if I want the gold now. Yeah, why not? We'll do multiple layers. We'll do a little bit of gold. And we'll just repeat. Because they're all so pretty, I can't stop myself. That. And some Agapanthus again. And I think I'll use black and white cell activator. So, and then we'll just give it a little blowout, see what it looks like. Here's my lamp black. And some titanium white. Good enough. Let's give it a puff, shall we? Okay, Goober Girl dropped her palette knife into into the canvas. So I'm going to go again. I'm going to omit the gold because I really want the Agapanthus to be the star of the show. So we're going to blow this out again. Put down my, so it was just Payne's Gray, the emerald, and then the Agapanthus, and some black CA and some white CA, and we'll call them all again. My apologies. Here we go. All right, gave a little puff in the middle, looking collected, looking gorgeous. Let's give this a baby spin. Try not to spill anything or drop anything into it or have a bug dive bomb it. You never know with me. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So pretty. So I'm just staring at it. I'm gonna spin off my corners. Just because it's a reveal doesn't mean I can't be picky, right? Right. One more little corner. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous, y'all. Like really, really pretty. The Agapanthus is like everywhere, complementing the green. Really, really stunning. Let me, I still have a corner. I'm trying not to spin too hard since I don't have my rubber tub. There it goes off. Yeah, that's a winner for me, y'all. Let me clean up and get you guys down on him. Who am I kidding? I can't stop at one. There's no way. Oh my gosh, this paint is super thick. That's okay. Oh, my poor palette knife is so dirty. It's been dropped. It's been beat up. We'll just kind of do this, leave a nice little pillow in the middle. Whoop, don't go spinning off. And let's try a different order. Let's do fun things. Let's put Agapanthus first on that blue color. And then maybe some Payne's Gray now. Is this Payne's Gray? I can't tell them apart. Yeah, that's Payne's Gray. Just a little bit of Payne's Gray. Oh, got my, or is that cell activator? I honestly cannot tell. Oh, good grief. Ugh, that was cell activator. That's okay. I've done that before too. Cover it up. And then do some of the emerald. And some more Agapanthus. And then the black CA. No, that's Payne's Gray. They're so similar. All right, there's the black. And then some white. All right, let's blow this one out. All right, I'm off center with this one, but I kind of love it because the Agapanthus is really coming out to play. And I'm gonna have to give a bunch of gentle spins since I don't have my tub. And the paint is thick, so it's gonna take a minute to go anywhere. And I don't mind the negative space on this one. Oh yeah, oh yes, yes, yes. Hold on, let me keep going. Sorry for all the spinning. And that is gorgeous. Gorgeous. I love this and this. Yeah, and Agapanthus everywhere here. Yep. Let me clean up, get you guys down for reels. Okay guys, here's a close-up of these two. I'm glad I did too, because this one, the Agapanthus, is definitely the star of the show. The purple, I mean, look at it. So Agapanthus is a name of a flower. A common name is the African lily. And I think people in the UK call it the lily of the Nile. So, I mean, it's stunning, right? It looks like it plays really well with other colors. That's a keeper for me. I like the drama and everything. This other one is super pretty, but I want to say that Agapanthus played a supporting role in this one instead of the primary. But there it is on this corner with the emerald and the Payne's gray, looking amazing. And I wasn't going to even show this one, but when you have like something right there that actually looks like a peacock feather, well then you kind of gotta, right? That's kind of what I felt. But this is a really great representation of what Agapanthus looks like. Yeah, really impressed. Performed beautifully. Winner for me, y'all. Yep, I'm not going to turn around. These will be available for purchase starting June 25th here in the States and June 26th in Australia. Go to fluidart.co. The link is in the description section. Grab yourself this and a whole bunch of other colors being revealed today on other channels. And I'll see you on the 25th where we really play with Agapanthus in another color and take it for a test drive. Until then, thanks for watching. Peace and love to you all. Please like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, peace out.